Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. I go by the name Chef Davido. Likes and share, and don't forget to subscribe as we start. Today we are going to make a beef pilau, and we are going to start with ready boil beef, and you can also start with unboiled beef, but today we are going to start with boil. So put some boil, then stir for some time, then add mix of green paprika and onion. Stir them quickly. Then add garlic. Add some ginger. Then stir them completely. Add some masala powder. Then stir them. The mixture. After you have stirred for some time, then you have to add soy sauce, little. Then you stir the mixture. Stir for some little time. Add little water. Then give it like 3 minutes or 5 minutes to boil. Then don't forget about salt. Put little, and some royco beef cubes to put some flavor. You can also put some green pepper if you need, like I like. Add some little water once again. Add little carrot.